All right, guys, today we're going to go ahead and talk about hypotenuse leg congruence. So that happens if the hypotenuse and a leg of one right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and a corresponding leg of the other right triangle, then they are congruent. The big key part here, so we're going to grab our handy highlighter, is a right angle must be present in both figures to use this theorem. So I have to be able to go out of my way and say that I see a right angle given, or something creates a perpendicular line, and we know perpendicular creates 90, and that is a right angle. So we need to see that of some sort. Either it's drawn on there and given to us, or we need to be told it's perpendicular, or it creates a 90-degree angle, or it just simply is a right angle. Okay. Now, something else to point out. We just need one leg. So in this first picture, we have the first leg and the hypotenuse. In the second picture, we have this other leg and the hypotenuse. So I need to make sure that they are consistent. So for example, I would say this green one is to the left of the right angle. The blue one's to the right. Okay, so we are going to do a proof to show that these guys are congruent. Step number one. Oh, I think I wrote these last time. Let me just scooch this off to the side. So number one, that's way too large of a font. We're going to write anything that was given, and our reasoning is always number one, given. So what information is given to us? Well, we're told that CD is congruent. This is still very large. We're going to drop this down to this one. To EA. And we're also told that AD is the perpendicular bisector of CE. And I haven't taught A for a while, so I'm making sure I shorten everything in an appropriate manner so that I agree with not only myself in the past, but also Mrs. Seitz or any other future math A teachers. So I have written down my given. Then we're going to go through and we're going to put that information on the triangle, if possible. So my CD is congruent to EA. So CD congruent to EA. Done. The second part of the given, I have to do some more stuff with it. So I'm going to need a number 2. And I'm going to switch this to the smaller font like we chose. And what does it mean to be a perpendicular bisector? Well, a couple things. The first thing that it tells me is that it's perpendicular. So perpendicular means right angles. So angle ABE and angle CBD, sorry, I couldn't find my C key, are right angles. And what told us that? The word or the definition for perpendicular. And this again is not the right size font. That's the wrong word again. And so because we've said that we have a right angle, I'm going to go through, I'm going to create a right angle there, maybe. Now there's something else that's kind of important. So we did this guy, we did part of this guy, we did the perpendicular part. What does the word bisector mean though? That's right, the word bisector means to cut stuff in half. So, again, wrong size font. Because it's cutting in half CE, C to B is congruent to, oops, I don't know why that's half green and half blue. Let's try that again. C to B is congruent to E to B. All right, I'll have to come back later.